Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday held a delegation-level meeting with Austrian Chancellor Karl Nehammer. He arrived in Vienna on Tuesday from Moscow for a one-day visit to Austria. This visit, the first by an Indian Prime Minister in over 40 years since Indira Gandhi in 1983, aims to explore ways to further deepen bilateral relations and enhance cooperation on various geopolitical challenges. Here's a quick roundup of India-Austria ties under PM Modi's reigns. How have India-Austria ties been so far over the decades? Though diplomatic relations between India and Austria were established on the 10th of November 1949, the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had visited the country in 1983 and the then Austrian Chancellor Fred Sinowatz reciprocated with a visit to India in the next year in 1984. In November 1999, then President K.R. Narayanan made India's first state visit to Austria. The then Austrian President Heinz Fischer reciprocated with a state visit in February 2005. Former President Pratibha Patil also made a state visit to Austria in October 2011. Austria-India ties under Modi. In his first term, Modi held a bilateral meeting with the then Austrian Chancellor Christian Kern in St. Petersburg on the 2nd of June 2017 on the sidelines of St. Petersburg International Economic Forum. In his second term, Modi met former Austrian Chancellor Alexander Schallenberg on the 30th of October 2021 on the sidelines of COP26 in Glasgow. He also had a telephonic conversation with President Alexander von der Bellen on the 26th of May 2020. To foster innovation and entrepreneurship between the countries, the India-Austria Startup Bridge was launched in February earlier this year. Officials said ties between the two countries are expected to get a boost with the bilateral visit. Asserting that solutions to problems cannot be found on the battlefield, Modi said India and Austria emphasize dialogue and diplomacy, and for that, they are ready to give any support required. Modi said both India and Austria strongly condemn terrorism and agree that it is not acceptable in any form.
मैंने और चांसलर नेहमर ने विश्व में चल रहे विवादों, चाहे यूक्रेन में संघर्ष हो या पश्चिम एशिया की स्थिति, सभी पर विस्तार में बात की है। मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि यह युद्ध का समय नहीं है। समस्याओं का समाधान रणभूमि में नहीं हो सकता। कहीं भी हो, मासूम लोगों की जान की हानि स्वीकार्य नहीं है। भारत और ऑस्ट्रिया शांति और स्थिरता की जल्द से जल्द बहाली के लिए डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी पर बल देते हैं। आज मानवता के सामने क्लाइमेट चेंज और आतंकवाद जैसी चुनौतियों पर भी हमने विचार साझा किए। क्लाइमेट के विषय में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सोलर अलायंस, कोalition फॉर डिजास्टर रेजिलिएंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बायोफ्यूल अलायंस जैसी हमारी पहलों से जुड़ने के लिए हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया को आमंत्रित करते हैं। हम दोनों आतंकवाद की कठोर निंदा करते हैं। हम सहमत हैं कि ये किसी भी रूप में स्वीकार्य नहीं है।